This is the second video on the topic variable and data type. If you would like to watch the first video before you continue, the link for the video is provided in the description box. In the last video, we wanted Python to remember a number, so we created a variable and gave the number as value, like books equal to 2. Now, what if we want Python to remember words or even long sentences? Can we give a name for it so Python will remember it? Yes, we can. Let's say you have one puppy and we want to create a variable to save that information. According to our syntax, we will write the variable name first, then the equal to sign and then the value. So let us go to Python and write it. We write puppy equal to 1. In this statement, the variable name is puppy, then we have the equal to sign and then the value 1. Let us print the variable puppy. So we write print puppy. Save the file and run the code. 1 is printed as output. Now the puppy has a name and the name is Zoe. So now we want Python to remember the name of the puppy also. So we create another variable named pet name and give the name of the puppy as value. So we write pet name equal to within single quotes Zoe. Let us print the variable pet name. So we write print pet name. Did you notice that I have put single quotes when I wrote the puppy name? That is correct. When we give a word or sentence as value, it should be within single quotes. Also, just like in the print statement, instead of single quotes, you can use double quotes as well. Let me change the single quotes to double quotes. So change here and change here. Save the code and print it. So we again get Zoe as output. But if we remove the quotes and print it, Python will give an error. Let us try it. Remove the quotes here and here. Save the file and run the code. See, we got an error. So we have to put single or double quotes when we give word or sentences as values. When the values were numbers like books equal to 2 and puppy equal to 1, we don't have to put quotes. But when we write words or sentences, we have to put quotes. I can hear you saying, no quotes for numbers, but put quotes for words and sentences. What? What rule is that? Hey, I did not create Python, so don't ask me. I was just joking. All programming languages have some rules which you will start understanding in detail when we go into advanced level of programming. Since we are beginners, let us just remember the syntax without going very deep into it. Now, can you create more variables like best friend, favorite game and print it? And I will see you in the next video.